from Vlogmas day 14? Vlogmas day 13? No, 13 was yesterday. 14. Good morning from Vlogmas day 14. I am starting my morning where I've been starting most of my mornings for the month of December, in our second bedroom with our computer to edit. Yeah, today is a day. Feeling a little bit like I woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. So we know that's always enjoyable. So that should be a great time. So basically, I'm just going to edit Vlogmas to try to get that up, and we'll see where we go from there. Obviously I have to go to work, so I'm gonna try to get this done as fast as possible because I'm already running a tad bit late, which just seems appropriate for a day that I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Hello everybody, welcome back to day 13. It is much later now. It is almost 10 o'clock to be exact, actually, but I have had a much better day since I was a grumpy Gus this morning. I edited a video, I put that up, and then I went to work. Then I went for a walk with some of my coworkers after work, which was nice, and it was nice to like walk around. We went to an indoor track, so that was nice. Then I had to go back to work to do some more work, and now I'm home and I'm going to wrap some presents. Sorry, my hair was up, so it's like doing a weird thing. It's fine. So now I'm gonna wrap some presents. Chris is playing D&D, Daisy is sleeping on the couch, which is good because she actually hates the sound of like scissors on wrapping paper. So this should be an interesting project for me. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have Sierra and Steven IRL, Vlogmas on the TV. We got 3 different types of wrapping paper. I love this Christmas lights one, and I'm almost out of it, and I wish I'd picked up 2 rolls. It's like a couple years old. This Santa one, which is honestly might have come with me from college. And then this is one of my newer ones a few years ago. I thought these 3 together is cute. And now let's get started wrapping.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
Alrighty, day 14 is upon us. Lisa is struggling with her advent calendar.
It almost fell off my lap. Okay.
Let's find out what we got today. Day 14.
14.
I got myself, yours is right there.
Oh, thank you.
I got myself a nice little red Moscato.
Oh, red Moscato.
Elisa has been complaining these last 2 weeks about how she hasn't gotten a single Moscato.
Could you jam your finger in there?
We have one now. It just isn't the right color.
You know what? I like red Moscato though.
I don't know if I've ever had a red Moscato, to be honest.
I can't remember when I had it, but it's pretty good. It's like a sweet red, which I like. This is a red Shiraz from California called Happy Go Lucky.
That's cute.
So I got on day 14. Daisy thinks these are all for her, and she's very sad.
No, there are no treats. No treats
Not for Daisy.
All right. That looks fun. Had a nice little fun little bicycle on the image.
We haven't tried a lot of these. I feel like it's gonna be actually post Vlogmas where we're gonna try all of them. I don't know.
There's just been so many good things. Like it's like a more of a hot cocoa at night kind of like a vibe.
Yeah. Well, we've been so busy with work. I'm like not really trying to drink wine, to be honest.
Especially not like this much.
Yeah. Oh, let's do the ornament.
The ornament.
Okay. Oh gosh, what happened to this? Why is it wet? Oh, Daisy's sniffle.
Daisy 100% stepped on that. That's exactly what happened.
How?
When she was
Daisy,
calling on the...
was you on the table, ma'am? It's been on the table.
I mean, was it not when she jumped
No,
up right
she
there?
didn't. No. Daisy, did you break any of our ornaments? Jumping on the table. All right, day 14.
Day 14.
Goodness. You won't be keeping this box even though it opens like a shoebox. Oh, it's a cute like, oh, actually it's kind of like Minnie. At first it looked like Mickey, but.
Yeah, it just has the mini spots on it.
Yeah. That's cute. Just a black top with the red bottom and white spots.
Yeah.
I like
really
that.
Cute. I like that. And finally,
and pins.
last but not least,
Is it your turn?
pins. Yes, it is day 14.
We put more pins in here, so I'm excited to see what we'll be getting. Yes, it's closed.
It's an enclosed pin. Let's find out what we got. I wonder what it is. Ooh.
Oh, that's a big pin.
I think this is one of the things.
The Hot Topic ones? No.
Oh, it's a cute little
we got
Donald.
Donald.
Yeah, we have him already.
No, that probably means our other one is Mickey.
I hope not.
It usually is.
I guess we'll see.
They're the...
Well, I mean, he's still adorable.
Oh,
and you know what?
Ding dang.
He's gonna be a great trader for somebody. We're gonna put it on a lanyard. We're gonna trade it away, and somebody's gonna be so happy when they get this.
Dang.
Well, that wraps up day 14.
Yeah.
Hope you guys had fun watching it today.
Yeah.
We had fun making it.
Yes.
And we will see you guys all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.